As standard, all models in the new generation of excavators are fitted with Tele-management Systems. TMS technology sends, receives and stores information using telecommunication devices in conjunction with controlling remote objects. CoreTMS, a tool specially designed for Doosan machinery, provides, in a dual mode with satellite and mobile phone, a number of interesting details about your machine's performance. TMS offers plenty of benefits for your fleet management, for your Doosan dealer, for his service plan, but also for Doosan itself and its quality improvement program. It's a win-win situation, benefiting every party involved.